Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Apple Music. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to clear their music on Apple. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is hop onto our Apple Music account. On your home page, which is this tab right here, you want to click on the bottom right hand side, the search. And then you want to type into the search bar and pretend you're about to type. Now here's where you're going to see a clear button, okay? So if you're under Apple Music, you want to click on clear, and this will clear the searches and remove them from your device. So click on clear searches, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and cleared your searches on your Apple device on music. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and clear your music or search history on Apple Music. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.